All right, so if you are a Bitcoin holder, it's crucial that you spend this entire video with me. That makes sense. Watch all of it's what I'm trying to say. All right, so I've got a real quick. I'm going to lay out here some key things you need to know. There is some stuff that's out there for the month of September that is against Bitcoin, and there is some stuff that's out there for the month of September that is for Bitcoin. So you need to know these factors as it impacts you and your Bitcoin holdings. Here we go. All right. So right now, as of the recording, Bitcoin is down 1.4%. The overall market is down 1.65%. Okay. So here's what I want to share with you: 5 bearish and 4 bullish factors for Bitcoin in September. So what you need to understand is that September historically has been a horrific month for crypto, as well as for Wall Street. In the since 1950, the Wall Street September percentage gain has been 0.7. Wall Street 0.7. So it's not even been up 1% as an aggregate in the last since 1950. Yeah, September, not good. Okay, so here's what you need to know: headwinds. These are things against Bitcoin for the month of September. There is a $33 billion government supply overhang. Look, the governments, Germany, United States, they own $33 billion worth of Bitcoin. This is not a thing, in my opinion. All right, so number one, they're not going to sell every bit of that in one single day. And by the way, if they did, look, the Bitcoin 24-hour volume right now in a down market is 26 billion. It could eat that up pretty quickly. It's simply not going to happen. To me, that's not a thing. This is not a headwind for Bitcoin. Okay, it's just not. It's just what it is a narrative that keeps people uncertain. Okay, which is why I'm trying to dispel it by showing you the 24-hour trading volume for Bitcoin, things of that nature. This is a thing. Bitcoin ETF paper hands. Look, so now that we have the Bitcoin ETF, we definitely see people sell their Bitcoin ETFs on a daily basis. And they do it because of fear, uncertainty, doubt in the overall market, the crypto market, Wall Street, whatever it may be. They do. And the way that works is, just if you didn't know this, is that the Bitcoin ETFs out there, they have to buy and or sell that commensurate amount of Bitcoin at the end of the day. So if they have a down day, they got to sell. If they have a positive day, they buy. Okay. Inflows, outflows. That's why you hear people talk about Bitcoin ETF inflows and Bitcoin ETF outflows. It's a thing. And right now, with the thing, what's going on in the market, yeah, that doesn't surprise me. September, I've already said, Bitcoin has sucked. Okay, it is. So September is not great. By the way, October gonna be good. Okay, so we got to get through September. We got to swim through these rough, murky is what I was actually, my brain combined those two words, rough and murky waters for September. But October gonna be good. Look, this is a thing. All right. So this is something. There is absolutely U.S. election jitters. I watched what's going on with politics, and especially as it impacts crypto, and it is becoming a crypto battle. Crypto is going to be one of the key things in this U.S. presidential election. It is. Okay. And so there's uncertainty around that people have. All right. And then number 5, this is again a bearish scenario, post-halving consolidation. Yep, it's going to end at the end of September, this post-halving consolidation phase. And when we get into October, going to start going up. All right, so that's the bad for September. The good for Bitcoin for September is, look, we've got the Fed is about to lower the rates. That's going to be good. Okay, and I think by that, we will reduce some of the uncertainty in the market. That's a good thing. All right. So, by the way, October will be good. All right. Bitcoin goes to Washington. I've talked about this, but what I also didn't say here was that crypto companies have become some of the largest lobbying as far as the amount of money they're spending on Capitol Hill. That's a good thing. We need representation. I like this. Okay. All right. So, bullish smart money. Again, I think this is interesting. If you kind of want to look around and see who's bullish, we've got MicroStrategy co-founder. We've got other people that are out there, like the Blockstream CEO, Adam Back. They're out there talking about it. These are very pro Bitcoin. Look, there's people out there still buying. I am. You buy on the down days. I'm going to be buying Bitcoin as we continue to roll into September. I'm buying because I know that the value is going to be up at some point down the road. And then 4th, we've got bullish Bitcoin technical indicators. They look good. If you want to pause and you want to read through this, you can read through all of this. But bottom line, this is a good positive indicator. So we got good stuff. And I think the bad stuff for September is stuff that we kind of know. It's already been built in. It's everything that I went on over real early in the video. All right. So go make some money. I'll see you. Stay tuned. If you haven't already done so, subscribe, hit that like button. Later.